Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an AI agent for your WhatsApp business and how it can automate your basic queries from your customers. For this demo, I already have built a AI agent here with basic functionalities. Let's have a look at it, how it will look like on WhatsApp. So within less than 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can build this thing. So I'm gonna message to our WhatsApp demo number here. Now you can see our AI agent is answer the question instantly, take over the conversation and give a response back. Let me ask something specific related to the business product and information that I given. For example, let me ask this specific question. So you need to provide some sort of business info, then only your AI agent can act accordingly to your or make response for your business. So I can see whatever information that I have already fed, that exactly how or it will make response based on it. Let me ask something little more specific about pricing and all. I just asked the pricing plans for RapidBot. Let's see how it can give the information or not. Yeah, we got the exact information that we already stored or saved on the AI agent. So this way, your most of the basic FAQ related queries can be automated with this basic AI agent. It will you can also make it outside your business service. All the queries can be handled through your AI agent easily. So in order to set this up, you need to connect any of this AI platform. So currently for the AI agent, we do support OpenAI, DeepSeek, XAI or Claude. So make sure before building the AI agent, go to your integrations tab under your dashboard. You will find the artificial intelligence. Make sure any of this AI, current supported AI platform connected with your workspace. Then only you can build an AI agent for a specific requirement. This is a basic AI agent who handles your basic questions only. In the coming up videos, we will look into in depth how you can build advanced level AI agents. So using the OpenAI response model, you can also build your own knowledge base. You can connect your knowledge base to your AI agent. So the AI agent can you can provide more information about your business which are related to your business, so AI have more control over it. So with this you can see with less than 5 minutes it will only take you to build a basic AI agent like this. So in order to build, make sure you need to, like I mentioned, an AI model has been connected. Select a model that you prefer or platform that you prefer. For this demo we are going with OpenAI. So here you can provide your AI name, then provide the instruction or not instruction, it's basic description about your AI, what exactly this AI is supposed to do, some details about your AI. Once it's done, you can click on the prompt, generate prompt button. So what happens is, let me do one thing, let me clear everything. Only the product and service information I'm keeping because we need some information about the business, then only AI can answer any specific questions related to your business. So that for this demo I'm keeping this whatever data I already have here. So here you can see I put a description. You are a friendly support agent for RapidBot. Help users with RapidBot's no-code drag and drop chatbot builder. So currently I am using the model OpenAI chat completion model. If I click on generate agent prompt, the whatever model you connected, it will automatically create the persona and skill set and other constraint, other information for your AI agent. So what exactly persona and role, you can, if you working on it, you can hover over it, you will get an idea. This is where it will define the response style or role, and like how the AI respond, what are the how the AI should respond or create response. All this information here you can see. This is where it will come under. If you don't like any of this, you can make your own adjustment or changes here. Then skills is basically more useful when you are using AI function. In the next upcoming videos we will look into it. We will build an AI agent using the AI function as well. A different use case we will we will try to build it. So that time I will explain more on how AI functions can be used. Here skills is basically it will act as like how what kind of you can define some skill set for your AI, like how which way you should ask for a specific question, and if it is on WhatsApp channel, make sure to greet them with their first. All this different type of skill set you can define. That is something comes under this skill. So if you want to add more skills, you can add it like this for, and you can define the skill what should it should do. For example, a specific way, if an AI should make responses or talks about a specific topic like that, you can define a skill like that. That is what it comes under skill. AI function, like I mentioned, if you, for example, you want to capture some lead, for that you can create an AI function to capture lead. So like this kind of, this comes a little more advanced level, which we will see in the next video. In this video we are only focusing on or introducing this basic functionalities and features of AI agents. And product and service, here you should mention all the product and or service related information about your own business. Then only the AI can handle or answer specific questions asked by your customers or your users. Then constraint, here you have to specify the set of rules, like I mean like scope of the like AI shouldn't respond to specific things, or like you can give a specific rule here. For example, if someone asks something out of the not related to this particular business, you can give a constraint rule like you shouldn't answer anything out of the topic or something only related to the business. Or everything is done, you can click on the save button. Your AI agent is ready, and it will be created, and here you can see the model also. One more thing I forgot to mention, if you go inside, you can see there is parameters. Parameter value, you can make your own changes, like in ChatGPT API or chat completion API. We have seen the temperature, based on changing the temperature value, the responses will also get changed. This is a preset value that we have. If you want to make changes, that also you can define. By default it will be on 500 token. If you want to increase more token, more content will be generated. That is up to your preference. All these things comes under parameter if you want to make changes. And also we have an advanced mode also, which is for advanced level chatbot automation. Like if you want to trigger a specific workflow, through that you will have more control on this AI agent to do specific task and all, like which will be comes under advanced level chatbot automations only. AI automations we will look into it later, like when we do that video in-depth advanced level chatbot automation, I will explain all that steps. In this video we are not going to focus on that. Let's save it. And this that much only you have to do. Your AI agent is built, and now we want to deploy it on the chatbot level, like in the chatbot workflow, or the flow that you built inside the builder. We need to deploy it. So for that, go into flows. Here I already have a chatbot I already created. Let me create a new flow so that I can explain from scratch. So AI agent flow, let's call it AI agent flow. Let's create it. Now I created a new flow. So here inside the action block, you will find AI actions. Inside that you can find AI agent. And inside if you click on edit action, you will find the AI agent. Currently we only have one AI agent built, so I'm gonna select that. If you have multiple AI agents you're building, if you want to add one more AI secondary agent you want to add, that also you can do. For now we are going with one primary agent, which is our RapidBot AI. That's a agent that we just built. And here a couple of options here. If you want, you can leave it as it is, or you can make adjustment according to your need. Here you can find input completion. So in the input completion, what exactly it does is when you enter some text, the AI agent will be triggered, and it will wait for that particular seconds, 10 seconds. So for example, I typed hi, again I want to type one more line, a message or something, hello, how are you, like that. So it will wait up to 10 seconds for me to complete my input. Then only the AI agent will process the data or input I give and give a response. So if you put none means whatever you type, I just type hi, then instantly the AI agent will create the respond to it like that. So here we have a timeout option. So if you are inactive for a specific minutes, for example by default it is on 10 minutes. So if you are inactive for up to 10 minutes, what happens is your AI will you can send a follow back message. So something like that you want to do, that we can do. For example, if you want to clear the AI memory, that also you can do it. So these are some optional steps. Here one more option we have is image handling mode. For example, if your users are sending some image, here two options are there. Either the AI agent will wait for further instruction, like once you send an image, then please explain this. So something like that if you add, then only the AI agent will respond to it. If you put it immediately, as soon as the image is sent, the AI agent will process it and send a response back. Here you can save the output, like whatever interaction happening between a user and AI agent, or the information can be backed up or saved into a variable like AI data, or you can create your own variable and you can map it, and for future reference it will be useful. You can click on save button. So that's it. That this is the in the front end, this much only. In this one single block the entire all conversation is happening. We made it that much easier, so you don't need to inside the builder you don't need to do like a lot of interactions, or like within one block the entire AI agent conversation will be handled, taken place. So as you can see, I already had a I put it I think a timeout as 2 minutes. So if I go back to the chatbot, you can see the follow-up message has been already sent. Do you need any help? Yes or no, like that. It's been already sent. So that's it for this video, and if you have any questions or any doubt, feel free to reach out or support. Thank you.